Hi Sant, welcome to the channel. Just a quick update on last week's shenanigans. Finally all the parts have come. Somehow wrecked my cassette because I put it on wrong. Didn't put a little spacer in between the cassette, the hub, to keep it all tight and come loose. Managed to rip the derailleur off, which is great. Chain. So all in all it's cost me 156 quid. But I've just serviced it this afternoon and up and running again. So basically a new SLX cassette there, and nice and tight. I use a cheap impact gun from eBay, and I'll post a link with a tool to take these hubs off, to take the cassette off the hub. Makes a massive difference, so you're not messing around. New derailleur there. New E11 chain from KMC. I use an e-bike specific chain. I didn't get to use this much last week, well when it broke down last, but that's my new setup with the chain and 43 tooth. But I'm picking up I've made some rings, so I'm picking up those rings on Monday from KMS Hard Range, who I deal with. So I'll have the spider and dedicated rings. So I'm going to see how those go. What else have I done today? Oh, I've new Shimano pads in there. Just while I was at it, the pads had gone, or going. They don't last 2 minutes. You know, that's another expensive part of the hobby. The cooling fins work. So yeah, all in all, outing tomorrow. Last Sunday was with fixing my Subaru Impreza. Got a UK 300. Rebuilt the back calipers and the front calipers. So that was interesting. So I'll be using that tomorrow as well. So big boys toys. Clutches on. Put a new cable. Did the routing a bit slightly better. Routing was awful, following the manufacturer's routing, so that's a lot better as well. So yeah, hope you're enjoying your bike riding. It's going to be a hot one tomorrow and Monday, so just be careful if you're out and about and drinks and stuff. I was going to go out today, but I haven't rushed doing this. So thanks for viewing, and I'll keep you updated with the front rings and some other bits and bobs I've got coming up on the channel. Okay, thank you.